Alright, I'm in Cuba, Missouri, and I just stumbled upon this abandoned, inactive ACA allertor right by the Cuba water tower. Now I'll put a location tag in the description, but focus, thank you. Camera problems, right? But I'm assuming this is the standard 912 port, might be a first gen 812. Or a rare 1012, I don't know. But yeah, it's clearly inactive. If I remember right, it's been inactive since 2014. Here's the boxes for it. As you can obviously tell by the switch on the side, it's in the off position. Sadly. Let me get a better view from here. There we go. It's in the off position. Sadly. And there's an overhead shot. Overhead, I meant undershot. This is sad. And here it is from farther away. But Cuba has some 2T22s and this allertor and some sentry sirens. The 2T22s and the allertor here are mapped on the Missouri siren map as not being here, but I can confirm as of December 26, 2021, they are in fact still here, or at least the allertor is still here. I'm going to try to check on the 2T22s today if I get time, but yep. Alerting Communicators of America made this allertor. It did its service, it's been switched off, and just inactive, facing the highway. Alright, over and out.